Welcome students for our SLC for our 8th standard mathematics video lessons. We are discussing playing with numbers chapter. Today we will discuss some of the concepts of divisibility. So let us see the divisibility of numbers. Divisibility by 10. So we have to see whether the given number is divisible by 10 or not. So how do you know whether the number is divisible by 10 or not? Let us take some of the examples. See some of the examples. The sum of the examples of the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. These are the multiples of 10. Let us take second example, which is the non-multiples of 10. Non-multiples of 10 means which are not divisible by or which are not the multiples of 10. Let us take 13. Let us take 13, 27, 32, 48, 55, 69 and so on. Now, so in these two examples, you see which number is divisible by 10 or not. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, these are the multiples of 10 which are divisible by 10. And here 13, 27, 32 and 48, 55, 69, these are not the multiples of 10 and which are also not divisible by 10. So what we can conclude by this? So by this we can conclude that if the ones digit of a number is 0, so if the number is having 0 in its own place, then the number is definitely which is the multiple of 10. Suppose if 0 is not there, definitely which is not the multiples of 10. If one's digit is not 0, then the number is not a multiple of 10. Suppose if 13, 27 like this, 0 is not there in the unit place, definitely that number is not a multiple of 10. So what we can conclude? So we can conclude that a number is divisible by 10 only when its one's digit is 0. If one's digit is 0, then only the number is divisible by 10. So we can conclude that if 0 is there in the unit place or in one's place, then only the number is divisible by 10, otherwise the number is not divisible by 10.